My name is Sydney Reuter, and I'm an honors college student at George Mason University. My research proposal focuses on the effects that colors can have on people, more specifically, color psychology. Color psychology is the study of how colors can affect humans. This field is relatively new, but very important. The most notable contribution of this field is that the findings can be implemented anywhere. Because color is everywhere, we are constantly being influenced by color. Additionally, various stakeholders can implement the findings from this field in ways that improve general quality of life. There are two categories of effects that colors can have. These are physiological and psychological, but most of my proposal will focus on the psychological effects. Colors can have a lot of different effects. Warm colors, like red, are seen as exciting and stimulating. Researchers have found that these colors increase arousal, pleasure, and dominance. Cool colors, like blue, have the opposite effect of warm colors. Cool colors are seen as relaxing and calm. They also decrease arousal, pleasure, and dominance. Achromatic colors, which are colors found on the grayscale, have been found to produce the least amount of effects. Researchers have also studied color properties. Saturation is the intensity of a color. High levels of saturation have been found to increase arousal, whereas low levels of saturation have been found to increase pleasure. Value is the brightness of a color. High levels of value have been found to increase both pleasure and arousal. There are two areas of research that have not been studied in this field. Firstly, colors that are studied are usually very warm or cool. Few in-between colors, or colors with both warm and cool characteristics, have been studied. Secondly, tint, tone, and shade have not yet been studied. Since very little research has been done in these areas, there are almost no theories for how these characteristics may affect us. My research question focuses on if purple, an in-between color, impacts human emotions. Here you can see the four colors I would study. The base color is equal parts red and blue. The tint is where white is added to this base color. The tone is created when gray is added, and the shade is created when black is added. In order to conduct this research, I would use a survey method where participants would rate bipolar adjectives, such as happy, sad, on a 7-point scale. This research question was based on the two gaps found in the research. Therefore, one of the most important parts about my research proposal is that it would address both of these gaps. This research would also have a very large impact on the field, as it would provide a baseline for further research in the two gap areas, again, in between colors, and tints, tones, and shades. These are the references I used to craft my research proposal. Thank you so much for listening to my research proposal. I hope that the next time you walk into a room, you will be more aware of the effects colors can have on you.